All right, so this structure right here is the frontal lobe, and the frontal lobe involves the processes that revolve around personality, someone's personal intelligence, and the voluntary control of their muscles. All right, right here is the parietal lobe. This processes sensory information that has to do with certain qualities like taste, temperature, pain, and pressure, which are all involved in the senses. All right, so right here we have the motor cortex, and this controls all voluntary movements that one wants to accomplish. So right here we have the somatosensory strip, and that detects and interprets information about touch, temperature, pain, and it also allows us to perceive the size, shape, and texture of an object as we come in contact with it.
So the occipital lobe, which is located right here, processes and responds to visual stimuli. The temporal lobe, which is located right here, is involved in hearing, language processing, and memories. Okay, so this is the Broca's area, and it is located in the frontal lobe near the motor cortex, and it's responsible for muscle languages, so how our lips move and talk. So the Wernicke's area is located in the temporal lobe, and it helps process and understand the actual words that we're saying out of our mouth.
The cerebellum cortex, as seen by this red piece, is the outer layer of the brain responsible for the most mental functions such as thinking and planning. The brainstem, which is the screen part and other functions, is the central core of the brain. It's responsible for automotive survival functions. The medulla, as seen by this red piece, controls the heartbeat and breathing. The reticular formation, responsible for the sleep and wake cycle. The pons, pink, it plays a key role in sleeping and dreaming, and it's also in breathing rate. The cerebellum, as can be seen by this purple piece, it coordinates voluntary movement. The thalamus, this blue part, receives almost all incoming sensory information and organizes it. The basal ganglia, as can be seen in our other display, in orange, works with the cerebellum and cerebral cortex to control voluntary movements. And moving on, the limbic system, or the hypothalamus, seen by the red ball, is a group of interconnected structures that are crucial for emotion, motivation, and many aspects of memory. It plays a vital role in controlling any motivated behaviors. The hypothalamus is part of the limbic system. The amygdala is another part of that. Influences aggression and fear. The pituitary gland, as can be seen here, controls growth and regulates other glands. The hippocampus, as can be seen, this purple structure, is involved in learning and the storage of long-term memories. And that's it. Yeah. Finally, the corpus callosum is a large band of neural fibers connecting the two brain hemispheres and carrying messages between them. The cerebellum cortex is the thing that layers the cerebellum.